All right. Hey, good morning, everybody. Ryan and I wanted to make a video this morning because we came across an article that came out on December 10th, and it really talks about people that are using these major cloud platforms, and they're saying that their billing is just out of control. So for everybody, the article that we're referencing, we'll put it in the links below. But Ryan, tell us a little bit about our idea today.
There's a lot of people that are either currently working in a cloud environment like a public platform like AWS, Azure, GCP, or they're looking at moving in that direction. This was a startup company, someone who had worked for a cloud platform before, and they were starting their own business. They were testing out some new code, trying to get their business up and going, set some billing budgets to $7 and chose a free database plan, trying to go through and really keep things contained, even put a spending limit on his credit card to $100. Things went haywire in 24 hours. On a technical side, when you read through the article, you can see just a simple thing of looking at the presets and the defaults for like auto scaling. How many requests do you get? How many records are you going to store? Are you going to scale out more resources to do even more functions? Should have, in hindsight, set those to the bare minimums just for testing. A budget does not equal stop billing. The platform actually automatically upgraded the database plan based on the activity that was being generated overnight. It was really just because of a bit of buggy code. Whether you're testing out new functions or starting up a new business, there's so much complexity to these cloud platforms. I think it's a great example of you're really trying to do the right thing. You're trying to go through there and right size things and keep yourself from spending no more than maybe $100 to getting a $5,000 bill, and then all of a sudden a $72,000 invoice from a cloud platform. That would not be a fun morning to wake up to and see.
For organizations that are already in the cloud, we've heard enough experiences to understand that billing is really hard. How can we help?
There are many different kind of cloud cost optimization tools and reporting tools out there. In recent years, mainly this year, a lot of them have actually been purchased by these cloud platforms. So one concern there is just being able to have an agnostic view. So if your cloud platform is gobbled up one of these optimization tools, they may be trying to get you to move over to their cloud platform rather than stay on your current one. With any of these, no matter which ones you use, look for things like an API-based hook into your platform. It's going to help limit security concerns while giving that full visibility over your buckets, your storage accounts, all your different resources, your different groups. Another thing to look for is cost updates every 2 to 3 hours instead of days or weeks. So these tools are going out there, they're getting more real-time information and giving you a consolidated dashboard. I know it's a buzzword, to give you that reporting and that visibility, and to say maybe this group all of a sudden their costs are increasing 25-30%. What's going on? Let's get in front of that. Multi-cloud visibility. I don't think I've really talked to any organization who's only in one cloud. Everybody is in multiple clouds at some point, and I think it's just going to keep growing. So look for multi-cloud visibility, a cost optimization tool that can look across AWS, Azure, GCP, VMware, all of these different cloud providers. Another important one is recommendations. It's good to know what the billing is and see those, but a lot of them, and one particular one that we work with, actually gives you recommendations. If you change this, you could optimize this. Maybe reduce resources over here, change your storage pools to that. At least some recommendations to figure out how to make some of those changes and remove some of that complexity. I'll just say that the cost for these tools, not only is it just based off your cloud spend, but they have aggressive savings targets. Many of them will say, our tool will cost you $1 and will return $20. If I spend $1 and I get $20 back, is that worth it? To me, I think so.
All right, well, cool. Thanks, Ryan. Again, we're going to post the article in the links below. But let us know what you think of this. And then also, I think Ryan and I would like to know what crazy stories have you experienced, not only yourself, but maybe some of your peers. So again, let us know in the comments below, and we'll talk to you guys soon.